Xo'p, sizlar bilan bugun ko'rib chiqadigan mavzuyimiz real examda ko'p tushadigan part 1 reading. Davom etamiz. So guys, qarab turasiz, yaxshilab tushuntirishga harakat qilaman. So read the text o'qiymiz. The next one word, reach answer. Xo'p, olimlar may have found one answer. Bitta savolga javob topishgan bo'lishi mumkin. Nimaga ekan? Problem of water shortage. Suv tanqisligiga o'xshaydi. It's a new material, bu yangi bitta material ekan, that collects yig'ar ekanki, havodan nimadir. Yaxshilab e'tibor qiladigan bo'lsak, odatda birdan oldin chiqar javobimiz va bizdan qidiradigan narsamiz collect something from air. Collect scientist bo'lmaydi, answer bo'lmaydi, of water, birga water tushadi. So it's a new material that collects water from the air. Bu to'g'ri javob. Hawking said they got their idea. Ushbu ideyani qayerdan olishdi fikri? So from a small beetle, mana kichkina qo'ng'irchadan olishibdi. So that lives in the desert of in Africa. Bu qo'ng'iz Afrikada yashar ekan. So this is an expert. Kimdir bu mutaxassis ekan. Surviving in the dry conditions. Quruqchilik paytlarida va holatlarida tirik qolish bo'yicha mutaxassis ekan. Mana beetle. Shu qo'ng'irchamiz quruqchilikda juda ham tirik qolishga usta ekan. Its shell is covered in small bumps. Rasmga qarasizlar, mana shuni bumps deydi. Bumps bilan o'ralgan. So in this ko'rgandan keyin bumps olamiz. These bumps collect tiny water droplets from the air to keep beetles alive. Buni vazifasi yomg'ir ozgina tomchilarni yig'ib, mana bu qo'ng'irchani tirik qolishini ta'minlash ekan. Studied, endi kimdir lazilanish olib boribdi. Shape and materials, buni shaklini va materiallarni o'rganibdi. Beetles bumps. Olimlar o'rganadi, scientists. To'g'ri, scientist oldik. So they want to use what they found out about the beetle to make their own. O'zlarining shaxsiy nimalarni yaratmoqchi bo'lishibdi va u havodan suv yig'ar ekan. Materials, mana materials deganni oldik. O'zlari shaxsiy materiallarni yaratishni xohlashdi va bu havodan suv yig'ib berar ekan. Olimlar they say new technology, ushbu yangi texnologiyasi va'da berar ekanki, this something can help, nimadir yordam beradi insonlarga, qaysiki in the dry areas, quruq hududda yashaydiganlarga. It could also help plants, o'simliklar and isitishga va sovutishga ham yordam beradi. This is technology. Bitta qaytaramiz. Birinchisi water bo'ldi. So the second one is an beetle, bumps, scientists, wood materials, and the sixth one is technology. Shu kabi materiallar kerak bo'lsa Telegramda yozing, bemalol tashlab beraman.